options actually is in there. Instead of all the other rooms.
We need to look for a handle.
Yeah, shut up. I gotta stop clicking that. Ah, fuck me.
Wait a minute. Go. Click on that the middle section again.
The middle section again, like here.
No. For all the chemicals.
It's a bottle of ethanol, and there's a bottle of ammonia.
Okay, so what was the numbers for ethanol?
Ethanol was 2 carbon, 6 hydrogen, 1 oxygen.
Try 261.
261. All right.
Wait, what if it's Digital that?
No, because it has to be 3 numbers.
Yeah.
Okay. No.
I don't know, 654?
Wait a minute. Go back to the note.
Okay.
Dang it.
Try 943.
All right, giving it a shot.
No, that wouldn't equal.
453? Type in all the numbers. You'll eventually get it.
Yeah. What's?
Or we could actually try to solve it.
Yeah. What's 10
Well,
what's 10 cubed again? 1,000? No, I'm not checking 1,000 combinations. Fuck off.
10 cubed?
Yeah, you can put 10 numbers in each
1,000.
individual digit. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I just said.
Don't you mean
Like
9?
it would be quicker for us to actually find the combination than it would for us to try every single one. I'll say that right now.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, it was a joke. And I already said I'm not fucking doing that. I'm not putting in 1,000 combinations.
I'm just saying.
Well, you are the piloter.
I already know the answer.
Just okay, let me ask you this. Am I on the right track?
Yes.
Okay.
I have no idea where you got the order of numbers from.
Well, I only just did it just for solving like what they are. The orders I was just kind of guessing. So
Can you see this piece of paper right here?
yes, I can see it.
Okay.
I solved for ammonia and ethanol, but that last one, carbon,
Carbon
is
dioxide.
the exact same as water.
394?
394.
Yeah, try that.
$493?
No, we already tried that one.
Oh yeah.
Alright, go back.
Can we
back
try
out of this-
439?
What the fuck are these orders?
394.
We're missing something here.
Punch in all the numbers.
No, we did that.
Are you guys intentionally being stupid here?
No, I am a professional idiot.
You're wonderful at that job, I must say.
Okay, back out of the screen. I know, like, it's not here. Or
No,
Not-
fuck,
not
fuck
that-
it,
that's-
fuck it. I'm railroading it. It's taking too long. I'm already gonna have to cut a bunch from it. Everything you need to know is pretty much on the screen.
394.
394.
We've done that.
439. 439.
493.
Oh my god! Look, the top one is 3, the middle one is 4, the bottom one is 9.
349.
Yes! Oh my god!
349.
It is.
That was one of the first ones I did.
No,
Did I
you
do
never,
something good?
you never put 9 on the end. I have no idea why.
Did I do it? Did I win?
No, we all lost.
Yay! Yay! You lent me a hand.
It was literally just the order of the
We
chemicals.
should go back.
Yeah. I
Look,
think that's
we can
probably
join the
best.
army now.